Welcome back to another video, guys. So there's a market situation on Central Index, and I currently took a sell trade at this point. I'm in a sell trade, so I would want us to analyze the market together. I want us to look at the market situation. Yeah, so in the weekly time frame, basically, you can see that the market has been selling off for some time now, creating lower highs and lower lows. So the market created a high at this point, equal high at this zone, basically. Created this equal high, then started forming lower highs and lower lows. And that high formed, but a lower high in this case. There was a high. Firstly, we got the market creating high at this point, another high, higher high, another higher high at this point. Instead of the market to create a new higher high, it started creating lower highs, created series of higher highs at this point, then started forming lower highs after this formation. The market to give us a new high, started forming lower highs. There was a change of market structure at this point. There was a change of market structure. So let's identify this market formation, creating lower highs and lower lows. This is the last lower high the market formed, and here we had lower lows formation. There was a low at this point, and that low here, and this was the last low. There was another low here too, and the last low at this point, basically on Central Index at this point. Yeah, so this is the market structure on the weekly time frame on V Central Index. So why am I selling V Central Index? You can see that the weekly time frame is bearish. The market is trending to the downside, creating lower highs and lower lows. I'm expecting further sales in the market in the coming days and weeks on V Central Index. How the market created a low at this point, a high, there was a break of structure at this zone. The market formed a new low at this point, as well as giving us a new high, a lower high. So we expect the market to give us another lower low, because we got the last low at this point. You got the last low formation. We got the last low formation, and we got the new high. We're expecting the market to give us a new lower low, as well as giving us a break of this our level, our low, a break of this our low at this point. A break and retest of our low for a new lower high, as well as giving us a new lower low formation. So generally, I'm expecting the sales on V Central Index in the coming days, and I'll be swinging this position. So come to the daily time frame, we got this trend support at this point. Like there was a trend support too. So we expect short term, expect the market to give us a possible sales to this our trend support in the coming hours. We expect the market to give us a short term sell to this zone. Yeah, a guaranteed short term sell. So let's watch out for this sell off on V Central Index in the coming hours. In as much as we got this higher lows formation, which is a bullish structure, we expect market to give us a breakout of it after the test of this our trend support, because we've already gotten the first, second, and third test of our trend support. We can assume that this trend may not hold because I've gotten 3 touches of it. But short term, I'm expecting the sales on Central Index with a long term bias, with a long term sell bias in the coming days on V Central Index. So let's go to the forward time frame to see the structure. So on the forward time frame, you can see clearly that the market is giving us this formation, like this reversal formation, this left shoulder, the left shoulder, the right shoulder, and the head at this point, which is a bearish structure, which is a bearish reversal pattern. This is a head and shoulders pattern, and we can see that the market has been consolidating for some days now, creating this equal highs and equal lows. Has been in a range basically for some time now. The market has been in this range, so we expect a massive breakout of this our range in the coming days and hours on V Central Index. Long-term sales expected, because I've seen the structure, I've seen the market formation, I've seen the weekly time frame overall market direction, I've seen the daily time frame structures and zones. So we're expecting the market to give us a sell-off in the coming days. Yeah, so how did I get into the sales at this point? How did I take the sales on V Central Index at this point? How I was able to see this sell opportunity at this zone? Yeah, so I saw this structure on the 1 hour time frame, this lower high structure, because I've been seeing the market consolidating for some days now. Even though we have not gotten the breakout of this consolidation yet, I still expect the sales, the short-term sales, even the long-term sales. Like everything is looking bearish on V Central Index. So I saw this structure on the 1 hour time frame, this lower high structure, and I saw the market give us this bearish order block at this zone, and there was a break of structure at this point. So yeah, there was equal loss formation here. The market broke out of it with this candlestick wick, like a break and retest of this our zone, coming to test this our bearish order block at this point. So the market broke out of this our zone, creating new lower lows with a candlestick wick formation. So I'm expecting the market to give me a sell off to this level, coming fill up this our gap here, this candlestick wick. Yeah, so I'm expecting the market to give me the sales in the coming hours. So you can get a retest to this our zone. I'm taking more sales at this point. I'm taking more sales. My stop loss at this zone. So I'll be giving you guys an update on how the trade played out. Please don't smash the like button if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe if you're a new viewer. And to my returning viewers, I really appreciate you guys for always engaging in my videos. It really means a lot. Let's do more, guys. Let's do more. Do have a wonderful day. Peace out.